So imagine it's the summer. It's hot outside, really hot. You've been outside playing soccer. Your clothes are soaked through with sweat, and you're totally thirsty. Your friend hands you a bottle of water. You drink the whole thing down. So that was really good. But then you're wondering, why doesn't the water just go all the way through you, like you're made of pipe? Well, the reason is we are not made of pipes. We're not metal robots. So here's what's happening. When you have a drink of water, first the water goes into your stomach and then into your intestine. The intestine is where your body starts to use the water. Let's take a look up close. The wall of your intestine is a special kind of wall. It's like a screen. With the screen, the flies are all trapped on one side, but air can pass through. Well, membrane is like that too. Water can go through, but not other stuff. It's not like a pipe where all the water is trapped inside. If we look at it up close, inside your intestine, you got a lot of water, because that's what you just drank. On the other side, there's your bloodstream. The liquid there has a lot of salt and sugar in it, but not too much water, because you just sweated all the water out. Now in a liquid, such as the inside of your intestine or your bloodstream, everything is moving around all the time, banging up against the membrane. The little bits, all the water here, these are small enough that they can go right through the membrane. But the salt and sugar is trapped over here. Also, the water in your bloodstream, where there's all the salt and sugar, sometimes gets blocked by the larger particles, so it doesn't move through the screen as fast. What ends up happening is that the water moves from where there's lots of water and not too much other stuff to where there's other stuff and not as much water. The process where water moves from an area with lots of water, where the water is pretty pure, through a membrane and to an area where the water is less pure is called osmosis. Osmosis is how plants take water from the soil and how we get water from the water we just drank in. It's why we can use water. So next time you drink a glass of water because you're thirsty, you can thank osmosis for quenching your thirst.